Okay, today we're going to take apart the A1502 MacBook screen and take the LCD out. Too much heat, try not to overheat it, you just want to make it softer so you can get the glue out when you put in the card through the middle.
Just enough to melt the glue. Give us a start on the glue. Now we take our card. Now you've got to be really careful here that you actually get it underneath. And just slide it up. So basically there we go, I'll just try and slide that through over the top. Oh, we broke it. Not much luckier, are we? It's not up, it's all over on the side. Glass is broken here. We can somehow get this up. There we go, underneath. There we go. Oh, so that's out. Let's just chop that out. What's out of there? So we take one of these. Just do there. No, the same going down this side. Just a little bit inside there. Slowly run it up. On this side there's two pieces of steel with tape on them running up here, so we'll cut the first one and try and go for the second one. Glass is broken there. The glass is broken in a few places here. Come back again. No. This should lift out. If we lift this up, I should want to lift this up to a point. We can either heat this up or just run this through. Generally the glue here is a lot stronger than that for some reason. Try and run this through. Yeah, it's not so easy. Going too good, that one. I hope. There we go. So there's your LCD. You can see the LCD is broken. It's broken all along here. It's broken up here. It's broken over there. It's broken. Broken up that side. There's a few breaks on this LCD. This LCD and the polarizer in there. These things cost you about $350 for one of these. I'm trying to do this. So what we have to do here, once you've done this, is go around the edges and just peel back the glue. And try not to touch the paper. This should have come off with the screen and it didn't. This should have gone with that. It's never been glued on. That's a half-done job. There's your LEDs. Now that's that thing that we plugged in the board. These are the LEDs all the way along here. So we plug this into the board and it switches on. They all light up and they light this paper up and the paper lights up and you can see your screen. So when you have backlight driver, that's when people say the backlight driver on the board, it's actually these are your backlights here and the driver's on the board and it powers these things up and makes them work. So what you do is you peel the glue off, which we're not going to do now. put a new screen on, close it all up, and you'll be back in business.